Go over these small little magnetic bit holders here. It's pretty simple. It comes with a little set of instructions right there. You get all types of screws for like a Milwaukee, a DeWalt, a Craftsman. Different types will have different types of mounting options, but what I'm going to do is show you right here on my DeWalt. So I went ahead and installed this thing. All you do, so a lot of DeWalts have this little screw hole right here that you can screw in things like this for, which is very handy. So right here, I just got a regular Phillips head bit. You get strong magnets on the side of it. Let's say I've got the Phillips head bit, which would be this screw right here. See how nice that holds? Oh, and by the way, I've got this DeWalt bit changer. Highly recommend that. So check this out. I can put the bit there. Now look, I've got a Torx head. So right here, I've got a Torx head bit. Look how quickly I can do this. I went from Phillips head to Torx head. Perfect. Now we've got this big Phillips head, which I think is a number 2. So check this out. I've got the number 2 right there. You know, this is such a handy item to have. There's so many times I'll have to go get. Now look how it just holds that screw. See that? And then you want to change back. So I can change back right here, go right here. Look how quickly I can change all of these bits out. Bam. We are perfect. We're gonna probably do this screw right there, but I can't do that one. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with these magnetic bit holders at all. I think it's one of the most handiest things you could add to any type of drill, especially if you're doing any type of woodworking and you need to kind of keep up with all your screws and bits, where you switch over from Torx head to, you know, I've got some flathead on here. I pretty much put every bit that I think I would need, even a couple Allen head on there, because I change from those from time to time. That's all I got on the Halberd 2-pack magnetic bit holders. See y'all in the next video.